To build an app, all you have to do is to select the cells that you want to show inside your app. Please only select the value cells, not the titles. Your selections are shown in the Elements panel on the right side. The wizard tries to identify the titles and the element types automatically. In this example, the system decided to use sliders and a drop-down element. Of course, you can change or remove these settings. Let's add some of the result cells and the 2 charts for our app. When you're ready, click on the next button of the wizard. In the last step, you can choose some very powerful app options. You should always select the responsive option. Then your app works perfectly even on mobile screens. For our demo app, let's also choose the header and the disclaimer option. If you like to build a multi-page app, this template option is a perfect start. You can also define your primary color for your app. When ready, create our first app prototype by clicking on the Create button. The app prototype is instantly ready, including your full formula-based business logic. You can move the sliders, and all the results and charts are updated accordingly. But this is only the start. Press on the Customize button to jump into our app builder. Here you can finalize your app simply by drag and drop. If you have any questions, please contact us using the chat button. Ciao!